Welcome to Regency Glass, where the difference is clear. Patterned glass is a type of decorative glass that is produced by imprinting a pattern or design onto one or both surfaces of the glass. The patterned surface diffuses light and provides privacy, while still allowing light to pass through. Our common Regency patterns are a mixture of obscure designs to cater for different tastes. Patterned glass is often used in residential and commercial applications, such as bathrooms and front doors. Here is our Regency patterned glass range: satin, stipple, bark, Westminster, contour, leaf. Regency patterned glass comes in two different thicknesses, 4mm and 6mm. We have a couple of patterns available in laminated. These can come with longer lead times. Please feel free to download our Regency patterned glass brochure below and take it to your local window supplier.